Hi, I'm Lindsay with Karolina Koaches, and one of the things that I see very often is couples coming in trying to decide if they want a Class C, like what I'm standing beside, or a Class A, like what's behind me. Ultimately, the woman usually makes the decision, and she tends to lean towards this one, only because she thinks it's going to be easier to drive, when in fact, there's really no difference once you get behind the wheel. It all depends on what kind of camping you want to do and how you want to use the camper. A perfect example is a customer came in the other week. The husband was dead set on getting a diesel. The wife said, I want a Class C because I want to be able to drive it. So we went over to the Class C's and we looked, but there wasn't going to be enough space for what they wanted to do. So once we made it to a Class A, they decided that it was going to be perfect and she was happy with the purchase.